Good afternoon, this is Frank Conteschi with MarineMax Brick. I'm here to show you our 2019 Sea Ray 27 Sun Deck Outboard. On the hull, you have a Sea Ray blue with a horizon, the Arctic white rub rail with stainless steel insert. Moving to the transom, you have Mercury's 300 horsepower Verado in white. Climbing aboard, you will see we have SeaDeck on the swim platform and into the walkthrough. Coming into the cabin, you switch to an infinity woven carpet. The upholstery is Sea Ray's dune color interior. Fixed ski tow bar. You also have the white water sports tower. On the port side, you will find the head. You have a port hole as well with sink. The captain's bench has a 9-inch vessel view, Simrad display, flush mounted, alongside a flush mounted fusion system. Nice stainless steel and leather bound wheel with digital throttle. Moving forward into the spacious bow, you have nice 2 forward-facing loungers. The seats are hinged for easy access to insulated coolers. Moving forward, you have anchor storage and a forward ladder for getting on and off when you're beaching your boat. A bow washdown for getting your sand off your feet when climbing up the ladder. For more information on this boat or any other boat that we have in inventory, please come to our location at MarineMax Brick, or we're always online at marinemax.com. Thanks for your time.